Hi there, I want to give you a quick tip on how to keep your work area clean. So this is a roll of paper that you can get from Home Depot, Lowe's, about 10 bucks. Okay, so what you do is you buy that and you roll it out all along the walls before you do spackle. Okay, so you can see I rolled this out all along the walls, right, all the way around, and tacked it down with some tape, blue tape. And you know, it just catches all these little slops and things like that, you know, that happen when you're, when you're spackling. And then when you sand as well, it captures all that dust as well. Then what we're gonna do is roll it up, throw it out, and this area is gonna be pretty clean. And it captures all of those mistakes. All right, so just a quick tip. It's worked out very well. So we're gonna roll this up, then we're gonna put more down, and then we'll prime. And through this project, we probably won't even go through one whole roll. I think the roll is about 10 bucks. But it keeps your area a lot cleaner. I highly recommend it. Keep it clean.